Today we'll walk you through how to install our IntelliMortise lock. Scan the QR code on top of the box for the full installation guide. You can also download the installation manual from the help docs on our website. The IntelliMortise comes set up for a right-handed door. To check your door type, look at the direction the handles face. They should point away from the door frame. The lock we're installing today is for a left-handed door, so we'll walk you through how to adjust it. To change the direction of the latch, remove the screw that holds it in place using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the latch, rotate it 180 degrees, then insert it back into the mortise. Reinstall the screw on the opposite side and tighten it back in place. Make sure the rounded edge of the latch is facing towards the front or secure side of the door. Next, adjust the handles. Loosen the screw using a number 4 hex or Allen key. Remove the handle, rotate it 180 degrees, and reattach it, tightening the screw to secure in place. Repeat the process on the back handle. Attach the rubber gasket to the front plate or escutcheon and make sure it's fully secure. Attach the other rubber gasket to the back plate. Now we'll assemble the front escutcheon components. To do this, you'll use the 2 barrel adjusters, the sliding screw, spindle, and cotter pin. Thread one of the barrel adjusters onto the lower mounting post and tighten it. Thread the sliding screw onto the second barrel adjuster, but don't fully tighten it down. Slide this assembly into the T-slot, position it near the center, and then tighten in place. Now insert the spindle into the handle and secure it with the cotter pin. Flatten the ends of the pin so it stays in place. You'll notice a small arrow groove where the spindle is inserted. It's important to make sure the arrow is pointing in the opposite direction of the handle. Now that everything is prepped and assembled, it's time to install it on the door. Slide the mortise into the door frame with the rounded edge of the latch facing the front. Secure it using the provided screws, but don't fully tighten them yet. You'll want a little room to ensure everything is aligned. Insert the key cylinder into the mortise and turn it a few times to engage it. As you bring the front escutcheon toward the door, make sure everything lines up correctly. The handle spindle fits into the mortise, the mounting post aligns with the borehole, and the key cylinder passes through the opening in the plate. Feed the wire through and bring the escutcheon flush against the door. Rotate the cylinder until the keyway is vertical. Now tighten the screw on the mortise to lock the key cylinder in place. Check that everything is aligned and the handle moves smoothly. At this stage, the handle should not retract the latch. Now for the back. Connect the 2 cables and make sure they click securely. Tuck any excess cable into the door cavity. When you're aligning the back plate, make sure the thumb turn is facing up. Insert the small spindle into the back of the thumb turn and line up with the handle spindle, then press the back escutcheon against the door. Insert the longer 60mm screw through the bottom and the shorter 30mm screw through the battery compartment into the top barrel adjuster. Now slide the battery cover back into position and tighten the screw. Before you wrap up, give everything a test. Insert the key and test the deadbolt. Close the door and check that it latches smoothly. Then use the inside handle to confirm both the latch and deadbolt retract properly. Place the faceplate over the latch and deadbolt and secure it using the small screws provided. Your IntelliMortise is now installed and ready to connect to the app to create access codes and credentials. Until then, use the metal key for entry.